Welcome to Brivis. Today we're going to show you something that will change the way you feel about your thermostat for good. Introducing the all-new Brivis Touch Controller, the ultimate in climate control. With a stunning touchscreen display and brilliantly simple operation, the Touch delivers total home comfort. The Brivis Touch Controller can be used with a range of Brivis heating products and allows you to maximise the performance of your heating systems. Heating, manual operation. To operate your heating system with full manual control, activate the Brivis Touch Controller by touching the LCD screen. Select Heat using the Mode button and turn the system on using the On/Off button. Then set the desired temperature. The system will operate to maintain the desired temperature level until turned off. Heating, program schedule operation. To operate your heating system with the schedule, activate the controller by touching the LCD screen. Select Heat using the Mode button, turn the system on using the On/Off button and press the Schedule button. The system will operate automatically to maintain the desired temperatures as programmed in the program schedule. If you leave or arrive home early, you may skip to the next schedule period by pressing the current period displayed, for example, the Leave Wake button. The program schedule will automatically resume once one of the following occurs. The next time period begins, the Cancel button is pressed, or the temporary period is pressed. Please note we'll go through how to customise your schedule settings to suit your lifestyle a little later in this presentation. Heating temporary temperature override. To temporarily adjust the temperature while in schedule operation, simply adjust the temperature level with the up-down arrows. The program schedule will automatically resume once one of the following occurs. The next time period begins, or the Cancel button is pressed. The word temporary will also flash on the screen. Zoning. Your specialist Brivis dealer may have divided your home into a maximum of 4 controlled zones that can be operated and controlled separately. The exact configuration of your system will determine the programming features that are enabled, as well as the number of zones that can be heated or cooled simultaneously. Your system may be operated manually, or you can program your comfort schedule and let the system automatically do the rest. Multiple Brivis Touch controllers or temperature sensors may be fitted. Single Temperature Set Point Zoning, STSP. Temperature set point is the same across all touchscreens and/or temperature sensors. Pressing the Zones button on the home screen will bring up the zone selection operating screen. A blue light indicates the zone status, on or off. Press to select on or off as required. A flashing blue on status indicates the zone is at the set point. Multi-Temperature Set Point Zoning, MTSP. The zone temperature set point can be set independently across all touchscreens and/or temperature sensors. Pressing the Zones button on the home screen will scroll between the available zones indicated by the Zone ID. The home screen indicates the zone temperature and set point of each zone. A flashing Zone ID indicates you are viewing a zone other than the zone being controlled by the controller. Any zone can be viewed or adjusted from any touch controller. The System Run indicator, for example the flame, identifies if the zone is active. A flashing Zone button on the home screen indicates all zones are satisfied and the system is in standby. Setting zone names. Zone names can only be set on a master Brivis Touch controller, indicated by the letter M in the bottom right-hand corner. Press the Menu button to access user options. Next, select User Preferences and then Set Zone Names. All installed zones can be given a descriptive name of up to 16 characters long. When the Set Zone Names button is pressed on the Master Brivis Touch controller, all installed zones appear. By pressing a zone, a keypad appears to enable the zone name to be changed. Press the Done button once complete and the zone name will be changed. Scheduling. Select Menu from the home screen to access the Schedule feature. The default time and temperature values for each period are set as shown for heating. To modify the time, select the time for the relevant period. For example, wake 6 AM and press the up-down arrows to change. To modify the temperature, Select the temperature for the relevant period, for example, wake 20 degrees, and press the up-down arrows to change. To access the heating schedule, the system must be in heat mode, and access is through Menu, then Schedule. To set a period to off, reduce the temperature for that period down to the minimum setting. Only the zones installed for the heating system are displayed and can be enabled or disabled for each period by pressing the relevant zone button. Light blue indicates the zone is enabled. Repeat this for all day grouping options. Weekdays and weekends will be shown if installed. Note: for STSP systems, there is one heating-cooling schedule for all zones. Note: for MTSP systems, there is one heating-cooling schedule for each controlled zone. Once complete, press back to save and exit back to the menu screen. Service notification message. When the operating hours logged for an appliance exceeds the predetermined period, the Brivis touch controller displays the following. The spanner icon appears flashing at 1 second intervals. The alert icon is displayed with the alert text flashing at 1 second intervals. Pressing the alert icon will result in the following message being displayed for either heat, cool or evap fan run hours above the preset limit. The system will continue to run with this message displayed. You may book a service call or clear the spanner and alert icon by pressing the clear button. Outdoor temperature sensor. If this option is installed, the outdoor ambient temperature will be displayed as indicated. If OD does not appear next to the day display on your screen, this feature is not enabled. Look out for our next Brivis video coming soon.